Number 1. 1979 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead, $7,200, Wilmington, North Carolina. The 1979 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead represents the final years of Harley's legendary Shovelhead era, known for its unmistakable V-twin sound and classic touring style. These motorcycles continue to be highly regarded by enthusiasts who appreciate their timeless design and strong presence on the open road. According to the seller, this 80 cubic inch FLH features electric start, original V-twin true dual exhaust, a fresh service, and a new battery. It also includes a fairing, saddlebags, the original seat, and a clear North Carolina title. For riders looking for a classic Harley cruiser that's ready to enjoy, this Shovelhead is a very appealing choice. Number 2. 1970 Triumph Daytona, $5,000, Jeffersonville, Indiana. The 1970 Triumph Daytona is a classic British lightweight that earned a reputation for responsive handling, lively performance, and timeless styling. Vintage Daytonas remain popular among enthusiasts who appreciate their simple design and authentic British motorcycle character. The seller notes that this motorcycle comes with a clean title and approximately 12,000 miles. It reportedly has been ridden less in recent years and only needs a new set of tires before returning to regular use. For buyers seeking an enjoyable vintage Triumph, this Daytona offers a solid opportunity. Number 3. 1972 BMW R75-5, $4,200, Belvidere, Illinois. The 1972 BMW R75-5 is one of BMW's most respected airhead models, admired for its dependable boxer twin, comfortable ride, and timeless styling. Matching numbers examples continue to attract collectors and riders looking for a reliable vintage touring motorcycle. This motorcycle features new brakes, tires, cables, battery, and rebuilt front forks, while also including its desirable toaster tank and saddlebags. The seller states that it has been well cared for over the years and comes with a title in their name. For anyone looking for a well-maintained classic BMW, this R75-5 is a great option. Number 4. 1975 Honda CB750K, $8,500, Delaware, Ohio. The 1975 Honda CB750K remains one of the most influential motorcycles ever produced, setting a new standard for performance and reliability during the 1970s. Its smooth inline-4 engine and iconic styling continue to make the CB750 a favorite among collectors and vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this mostly original example retains its rare HM341 exhaust system, original earth blue finish, and an NOS Honda seat. Fresh tires, easy starting, and a clean title complete an impressive package. For buyers seeking a highly original CB750K, this Honda stands out as an exceptional example. Number 5. 1959 Moto Marini 125 Corsaro, $3,800, Park Hills, Kentucky. The 1959 Moto Marini 125 Corsaro is a charming Italian lightweight that reflects the craftsmanship and character of post-war European motorcycles. Known for its efficient single-cylinder engine and elegant styling, the Corsaro remains a unique collectible among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. The seller reports that this motorcycle has a strong running engine and was restored several years ago before being stored in a climate-controlled environment. It also comes with a good title, adding to its appeal for collectors. For anyone looking to own a rare piece of Italian motorcycle history, this Moto Marini is a delightful find. Number 6. 1972 Suzuki GT 380, $5,200, Pinckney, Michigan. The 1972 Suzuki GT 380 is a classic three-cylinder two-stroke that helped establish Suzuki's reputation for smooth performance and dependable engineering. Its distinctive exhaust note and lively power delivery continue to make the GT 380 a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. The seller reports extensive engine work, including new crank seals, bearings, pistons, and a professionally rebuilt crankshaft. With electronic ignition, stainless expansion chambers, fresh paint, and only about 158 miles on the rebuilt engine, this GT 380 offers a strong combination of originality and performance. Number 7. 1971 Harley-Davidson AMF Rapido, $2,500, Loudonville, Ohio. The 1971 Harley-Davidson AMF Rapido is a rare lightweight two-stroke that reflects Harley-Davidson's partnership with Italian manufacturers during the early 1970s. These small displacement models remain uncommon today and are appreciated for their unique history and European styling. According to the seller, this hand-painted Italian-built 125cc motorcycle runs great and comes with a title in hand. Its rarity and original character make it an interesting addition to any vintage motorcycle collection. For collectors seeking something a little different, this Rapido is a unique opportunity. Number 8. 1978 Kawasaki KZ650, $2,000, Shirley, Illinois. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ650 earned a reputation as one of the most balanced Japanese motorcycles of its era, offering dependable four-cylinder performance with comfortable everyday rideability. Its timeless styling and reliable engine continue to make it a popular choice among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This example features fresh paint, cleaned carburetors, electronic ignition, stainless exhaust, and nearly new tires. The seller notes that it runs well, includes the original exhaust system, and comes with a clean title. For buyers looking for an affordable classic Kawasaki that's ready to ride, this KZ650 is a great value. Number 9. 1986 Moto Guzzi Le Mans Special 1000, $3,500, Cheswick, Pennsylvania. The 1986 Moto Guzzi Le Mans Special 1000 combines Italian engineering with the distinctive character of Moto Guzzi's legendary V-twin platform. Le Mans models remain highly respected for their unique styling, engaging performance, and loyal enthusiast following. This customized example features an early-style fuel tank, Brembo 4-piston front brakes, Marzocchi front forks, and an 18-inch front wheel. The seller reports that it starts easily, runs exceptionally well, and shifts smoothly. For riders looking for a distinctive Italian classic with tasteful upgrades, this Le Mans is an attractive option. Number 10. 1972 BMW R60/5, $5,200, Louisville, Kentucky. The 1972 BMW R60/5 is a classic airhead known for its dependable boxer engine, smooth ride, and timeless styling. Carefully upgraded examples continue to appeal to enthusiasts who appreciate classic BMW engineering with improved performance and reliability. The seller notes that this motorcycle has been upgraded to 750cc and features new engine components, rebuilt heads, stainless exhaust, Bing carburetors, a new battery, and upgraded suspension. With a clean title and ready-to-ride condition, this R60/5 offers an excellent blend of classic charm and modern reliability. Number 11. 1986 Suzuki GS550E, $2,900, Glen Ellen, Illinois. The 1986 Suzuki GS550E is a stylish middleweight that combines dependable inline-4 performance with sporty handling and everyday comfort. Its less common body style makes it stand out among other GS models, while its smooth engine and balanced chassis continue to appeal to vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this motorcycle is in excellent condition and starts easily, delivering smooth power once warmed up. It features a 6-speed transmission, strong brakes, and a clean title, with only a flasher relay needed to restore the turn signals. For buyers seeking a well-kept classic Suzuki, this GS550E is a great choice. Number 12. 1977 Triumph Bonneville 750, $3,600, Knoxville, Tennessee. The 1977 Triumph Bonneville 750 represents the final generation of Triumph's legendary parallel twin motorcycles, admired for their timeless styling and unmistakable British character. Original examples remain popular with enthusiasts who appreciate both their historical significance and restoration potential. The seller explains that this Bonneville spent many years in storage before receiving carburetor service, a cleaned and sealed fuel tank, and front brake repairs. It also features a brand new seat, a clean Tennessee title, and remains a strong candidate for restoration or enjoyable weekend riding. For classic Triumph fans, this Bonneville offers plenty of potential. Number 13. 1965 Honda CA77 Dream 305, $3,800, Weaverville, North Carolina. The 1965 Honda CA77 Dream 305 is one of Honda's most iconic early motorcycles, remembered for its distinctive styling, dependable engineering, and important role in introducing many riders to the brand. Well-preserved survivor examples remain highly collectible among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this all-original motorcycle has just over 9,000 original miles and starts, runs, and rides well. It also includes the original service manuals, spare parts, a recently replaced battery and ignition coil, along with a title in hand. For collectors seeking an authentic Honda classic, this Dream 305 is an excellent find. Number 14. 1971 Harley-Davidson FL Shovelhead Chopper, $11,999, Fort Mill, South Carolina. The 1971 Harley-Davidson FL Shovelhead is a true icon of American chopper culture, celebrated for its unmistakable V-twin engine and timeless custom styling. Rigid frame shovelheads continue to be highly sought after by enthusiasts who appreciate handcrafted builds with authentic old-school character. This custom chopper has fewer than 500 miles since its complete build and features a Craft-Tech rigid frame, Springer front end, SNS Super E carburetor, open belt drive, and several premium custom components. The seller reports that it looks and runs great, making it an impressive example of a classic Harley custom. For anyone seeking a standout vintage chopper, this shovelhead is a remarkable choice. Number 15. 1980 Suzuki GS100G, $800, Cicero, Illinois.
The 1980 Suzuki GS100G is a classic touring motorcycle known for its smooth four-cylinder engine, comfortable riding position, and dependable Japanese engineering. Even as a project, the GS series remains popular among enthusiasts thanks to its durable design and strong aftermarket support. The seller describes this motorcycle as a non-running project with an unknown mileage reading, while confirming that it comes with a title and is open to offers. Its affordable price makes it an attractive starting point for restoration. For buyers looking for a budget-friendly vintage Suzuki project, this GS100G offers plenty of potential.
Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. Tell us which marketplace find was your favorite, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure.